You need to open Google Drive, launch the Google Drive app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. Then select Scan Document and scan the document you want to create a PDF. Keep Scan and choose Save. Now upload, and once the photo is uploaded, locate it in your Google Drive. Tap on the photo to open it and tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Send a copy or share it. Now you can upload the photo for convert to PDF, so tap the plus icon located in the lower right corner and select Upload from the menu. Choose the photo and the photo will be uploaded to Google Drive. Select the image, then the three dots, and share it or print it. Now you have to share it. To save the files and save. Now you can go to the Files app and open it. And you can see that it says PDF. Also, you can upload docs and convert it to PDF. Select the three dots and then print. Now share it, add to files and save. Go to Files and you can see that it says that is a PDF document.